Standard 10, Science and Technology Part 2, Chapter number 3, Life Processes in Living Organisms, Part 2. Introduction. Can you recall? 1. Which are the important life processes in living organisms? Answer. The important life processes in living organisms are respiration, circulation, nutrition, excretion, sensation, reproduction, and response. 2. Which life processes are essential for production of energy required by the body? Answer. Digestion, respiration, and circulation are the essential processes for the production of energy required by the body. 3. Which are main types of cell division? What are the differences? Answer. Main types of cell division. 1. Mitosis. 2. Meiosis. Differences between these two are as follows. In mitosis, the chromosome number remains the same. 2 daughter cells are obtained from one cell. In meiosis, the chromosome number is reduced to half. From one cell, 4 daughter cells are obtained. 4. What is the role of chromosomes in cell division? Answer. Due to chromosomes, the DNA from parental cells enter into daughter cells. The hereditary characters are transmitted to next generation by cell division. We have studied various life processes in previous classes. All those life processes, that is, nutrition, respiration, excretion, sensation, and response, control and coordination, etc., are essential to each living organism to remain alive. Besides these life processes, one more life process occurs in living organisms. It is reproduction. However, reproduction does not help the organism to remain alive, but it helps to maintain the continuity of the species of that organism. Observe. Observe the pictures and tell the life process which you identified. Answer. In picture A, vegetative propagation is shown. The twig is planted and it is showing rootless. This indicates that new plant is being produced. In picture B, hen is laying eggs. In picture C, the seed is germinating and has produced radicle and plumule. In picture D, cell division or binary fission similar to mitosis is shown. All the pictures show different types of reproduction. Can you tell? 1. What do we mean by maintenance of species? Answer. Maintenance of species means a species undertakes successful reproduction and produces individuals of its own kind. 2. Whether the new organism is genetically exactly similar to earlier one that has produced it? Answer. The new organism is not genetically exactly similar to earlier one that has produced it, because the new organism produced from the old one is not genetically exactly similar to the parents. In meiotic cell division, there is crossing over in the homologous chromosomes. This produces genetic recombination. Thus, the new organism is different from the earlier one. However, if the reproduction is of asexual type, then the young one is exactly similar to the parents. 3. Who determines whether the two organisms of a species will be exactly similar or not? Answer. Following factors determines whether the two organisms of a species will be exactly similar or not. The type of reproduction, asexual or sexual, the type of crossing over, the extent of genetic recombination, etc. Determine the similarity among the parent organisms and their offspring. Based on this genetic recombination, the two organisms of a species do not show exact similarity. However, in case of monozygotic twins, there is exact similarity. In asexual reproduction too, there is similarity. 4. What is the relationship between the cell division and formation of new organism of same species by earlier existing organism? Answer. The relationship between the cell division and formation of new organism of same species by earlier existing organism is as follows. In the process of reproduction, there is division of chromosomes. Due to cell division, the gametes are formed. The union of gametes produce new offspring. In sexual reproduction, all these processes takes place due to cell division. In asexual reproduction too, there is cell division. Growth of new organism also occur due to cell division. Formation of new organism of same species by earlier existing organism is called as reproduction. Reproduction is one of the various important characters of living organisms. It is also one of the various reasons responsible for evolution of each species. In living organisms, reproduction occurs mainly by two methods. Those two methods are asexual and sexual reproduction. Asexual reproduction